Yes, here is your stem.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so if you've read and understood, considering it clinical examination station, please begin.
Hello, good morning. I'm Pavani, one of the exam candidate. May I confirm your name and age, please?
Yes, I'm Victoria, 55 years old.
Nice to meet you, Victoria. Today I've been asked to examine your hand, which involves looking, feeling, and moving your wrist joint, and also doing some special test. Is that okay with you?
Yes,
Yes. Do you have any pain at the moment?
yes, I have pain, but I've taken some painkillers before coming here.
Okay, all right. I'll be as gentle as possible, but during the examination, if you feel any pain, please let me know. I'll stop
Okay,
the procedure. Okay.
okay.
I will wash my hands and then
Yes,
I'll ask the Miss Victoria. Can you just pull up your sleeves till above the elbow?
okay,
Thank you. Can you place your hands over this pillow?
okay.
Okay. I will just closely
And
inspect.
with palm up front,
Yes,
or
ma'am.
the, yes,
Yes.
and
With
complete
this.
instructions. Yes.
Okay, ma'am. I will just closely inspect her palm region, thenar eminence, hypothenar eminence, whether there
Yes,
is any wasting, and also I will look any swelling or scars.
yes,
Miss Victoria, can you just turn back your hands?
yes.
Okay, then I'll be looking at her nails and if there is any nodes or scars present. And
What are you looking at nails?
nails, I'll be looking at any hemorrhage, splinter hemorrhages if present,
And
colinoikia,
yes,
paranoia, and
clubbing.
clubbing,
Yes,
and then any nodes, osler nodes, or butchard nodes
around
if
the
present.
knees.
Uh,
Okay. Yes.
Miss Victoria, can you just do like this? Can you just raise your hands and show me your elbows like this?
Okay.
Both.
Yes.
Okay, I'll be just looking at the ulnar side to see if there is any nodules if it is present.
Yes.
Okay, thank you, Victoria. Can you please put back your hands on the pillow, please?
Yes.
Um, and now I'll be touching your touching your hands. Is that okay?
Yes.
Then both the sides I'll be comparing the temperature. Sorry, first I look at the tenderness. While touching, I look at her face. On the both the sides, from the elbow till the tip of the fingers, I'll do that, and I will palpate the wrist joint, see the radius, ulna, and also palpate the ulnar border from the elbow to the wrist to check any nodules or rheumatoid nodules or psoriatic plaques if it is present, and also check the snuff box on the both the
Yes.
sides,
Yes.
and um, I will see the metacarpal tenderness if it is present, and individually each digit, proximal and the distal metacarpophalangeal joint, I will press and see if there is any tenderness present or not.
Okay.
And uh, and then I will look for the pulses, radial pulse and arterial ulnar pulse on the both hands. I will palpate, and then I will do the movements. Victoria, can you just make a fist?
Okay.
Thank you. Can you just relax it?
Yes.
All right. Can you do like this? I will do the wrist flexion, ma'am. I'll show her
Okay.
how to do.
How? Okay.
Uh,
By putting
yes,
backs of
ma'am.
your hands together and
And also the extension,
legs
just like
gracefully.
yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Okay. Then
And I'll check the flexa digitorum profundus and flexa digitorum superficialis
how are you going to
by
do it? By stabilizing what?
stabilizing whatever finger I want to check. The fingers which are beside, I will stabilize them, and then I'll ask
Proximal
her to
interphalangeal. Wait. You'll stabilize. Just suppose index finger. So you'll stabilize the proximal
rest
interphalangeal joint, and then
and
you'll
then
flex
ask her to
the
flex.
distal.
Yes,
Distal,
ma'am.
yes.
So that is
Okay.
checking for flexor dystorum
Yes.
superficialis.
The
And then,
profundus. And then
yes,
superficial is how? By isolating the finger,
yes, ma'am. And then just asking her to flex the
extend,
finger.
finger in extension.
Uh,
At
Flexion.
yes, extension in proximal phalangeal joint. Okay, and
Okay,
then
ma'am.
for the
And
thumb.
then I'll ask her to show the thumb to the roof, to the
Okay.
ceiling.
Yes.
And then thumb, can you touch your thumb to the index finger? That is
Okay.
adduction. And then back to the normal position, abduction.
Yes.
And then thumb showing to the ground, that is a flexion. And
Yes.
to the normal will be the abduction.
Yes.
And also, um, can you just hold my finger? Can you just squeeze my finger
Yes. With your hands.
with the resistance? I'll be just pulling back,
Okay.
but then you please hold it very tightly, okay?
Okay.
As much as you can, okay? Then can you please pick up this coin?
Okay.
Okay.
Pencil.
Uh,
Yes.
can you just button and unbutton your t-shirt or your shirt?
Okay. Done.
Okay,
Yes.
thank you. I will be looking for the sensation. I will touch your hand in some of the other parts. You
Yes.
just have to say yes whenever you feel it. All right?
Okay.
Can you please close your eyes?
Yes.
Okay, I'll be doing the sensation in the thenar eminence, hypothenar eminence, index finger, little finger. And can you please turn your hands on your
Okay.
back?
Can you please summarize your examination now?
Okay, today I have examined
Okay.
Miss Victor.
Practice saying thank you to the patient and then.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you. And then wash my hands.
Yes.
Today I have been examined Miss Victoria, 55-year-old age. She came to the outpatient clinic with complaints of pain and tingling sensation and numbness in her right wrist since 3 months. On examination, with the background of diabetes and rheumatoid arthritis.
Yes.
On examination, there is no scars, no sinus, no there is the no muscle wasting. Everything appeared to be normal in the inspection, and in on the palpation, there is no tenderness, there is no raise of temperature, there are no signs of inflammations, and the ulnar and radial pulses felt normal on the both the sides, and there is no tenderness in the metacarpophalangeal joints, and even in
Which
the yes,
special
ma'am.
test you did not get the time to perform, which can be conclusive of your
Yes.
provisional diagnosis?
I would like to do the Tinel sign and Phalen's test, ma'am, to
Okay.
confirm if there is any compression of the medial nerve at the wrist.
Okay. So, what is all right? What is the provisional diagnosis you have come across?
My provisional diagnosis will be carpal tunnel syndrome.
Okay. What investigations can you ask for to confirm your diagnosis?
To confirm my diagnosis, I would like to examine the elbow and also the neck region, and also do few blood tests, erythrocyte sedimentation rate and C-reactive protein to rule out any inflammatory arthritis if it is present, and also I would like to do electromyography and nerve conduction studies, and in imaging I would like to do MRI scan
Okay.
to see the
What
underlying
treatment
causes.
can you suggest this lady?
First, I would like to start with conservative management if it is mild to moderate disease, by giving the splint to the wrist at the night time, and
Yes.
also giving the painkillers and giving the steroid injections, which may help her. If this is not going to work, then would like to shift to the surgical treatment, which involves the open or arthroscopic procedure, the release of carpal tunnel syndrome.
Release. Good. Okay.
Release.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.